Hello guys, welcome to another video, and in this video today I am going to show you how to increase the FPS in PUBG Mobile. This video is 100% working and this method worked on my phone. So basically I will show you 3-4 methods to increase the FPS. So keep watching this video till the end. Alright, so first I will figure out the in-game settings of PUBG Mobile. So as you can see, I'm in the settings and under graphics tab of PUBG Mobile, and here I will show you a few methods or a few steps to do to increase your FPS. So basically here you have to change some settings in order to improve your in-game performance. So I will suggest you to keep the graphics at smooth because it will eventually increase your FPS, but although it will lower down the quality but help you to increase the frame rate of your game. And next you have to set the frame rate at max. For me it is high over here, for you it can be very high or even ultra. Now the style you can so basically the frame rate you have to choose the maximum option available, and style you can choose anything from here. I will go for colorful for now. And next thing I will suggest you to increase the brightness to 125%. As default it will be 100%, but increasing it to 125 will help you to spot the enemies and get more kills. Okay, so now you have to enable the auto adjust graphics settings from here, and it will basically automatically adjust the graphics and help you to increase the FPS. So now you can just quickly copy it down and just change the settings appropriately so that you will get a maximum FPS on your device. Now next thing I will suggest is to go to your settings, and then you have to scroll all the way down and go to about system or about phone, whatever would be given there, and open it and scroll all the way down once again, and you have to continuously click on build number several times to unlock the developer options just like shown in the video. So now it says that you are now a developer, or the developer options has been unlocked. So right now the developers option has been unlocked, and now I will go to developer options from here, and you have to change a few settings in that options. Now once you are here you have to scroll down just like I do, but make sure you don't change any other settings given over here.
Do you want to dance?
Alright, so here you have to find 4x MSAA from here, and you have to enable that. So once you do this, it will help you to increase the FPS on your game. So once that is done, make sure you don't change anything else than that in this settings option. Okay, so now the next thing you have to do is to download a application from Play Store called as GFX2. This application is very safe, and it's in Play Store, so it will be obviously safe. So you just have to download it from here, and as it says verified by Play Protect, so don't worry, it will not ban your account from the game. And just download it, and I will say you the settings which you have to keep after opening it. Okay, so once you open the application you will see a similar interface on your phone. From here you have to select 0.11.5 bracket GP option from the top right here. You just have to click on it and it will get automatically selected, and then the resolution you should keep it around 1280 to 1280 into 720 just like I do. If you want to increase it or if your device is high end, then you can keep it even more than that. Graphics I'll go for smooth right here because it will increase the FPS, it will contribute in increasing the FPS. Now FPS I will select 60 FPS from here, and anti-aliasing I will keep it around or else I will keep it disabled for now because I want to increase the FPS. Now styles, you can keep anything as I said before. For now I'll go for colorful, and shadows you have to disable that. Rendering quality you have to keep it at low. If you have high end device and still you get low FPS, then you can go for high or medium. Now light effects, it should be disabled. GPU optimization should also be disabled, but save controls from here should be enabled. And now once you are here, you can just click on accept and just run the game from here, from the app itself. And don't worry, this will not ban your game or your account. This will open ad, you just have to exit it from that and just click on run game. So now basically I will give you some more extra tips on increasing the overall gaming performance on your device and to increase the FPS. So first thing is the RAM. So basically you will need higher RAM on your device. If you are playing the game on 2 or 3 GB RAM, then you must expect lag on your device. I would advise you to go for 4 GB RAM or higher to play the game with best experience. If you cannot afford that kind of phone, then you can go for second hand. But make sure that your device is at least capable of running the game at higher FPS. If your device is low end and you want a hack for getting better FPS on that device, then come on man, you are just daydreaming. Alright, the next thing I'll suggest is to have a better and a high speed internet connection like 3G or 4G. If you are using internet on your smartphone, or you can even use Wi-Fi for an increased performance. Now once you are done with that, the next thing you have to make sure is that you are not downloading anything while playing the game. This would initially result in decreased FPS and performance. So close all the downloads running in the background before playing the game. Now one more tip for you, you need to close all the running background apps while playing. You can even restart or reboot your phone before starting the game. And one more important thing, empty up some memory or some space on your device. This could help to reduce the lag and give you overall better gaming experience. So that was everything on increasing the FPS on PUBG Mobile. If the methods shown in the video work for you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more such videos. Also, the first step shown in the video is most important. If you want better frame rate, then you obviously need to compromise on the quality. So thanks for watching the video. We'll catch you in the next one.
You wanna dance?